minus a couple of seconds here, guys. So check it out. Tune in. Do live streaming. Gonna be good. Shout out Mark Meadows, an actual fighter, one of the few, a real fighter. Thank you, Mark. Kimberly.
Yes, have the courage to do the right thing. Fight.
Thank you, guys. Just really appreciate all the love and support. It's pretty amazing.